Give it to Grandpa. Say, this is for you.
That's for you.
Thank you.
Now it's mine.
You want yours? Here, let me help you. It's hot.
Pretty good? Pretty good?
It's really hot, Grandpa.
Crispy.
It's really hot.
Joy.
Look, I'll blow.
Is that good? Is that good?
Wait, you got one more bite. You want it?
Isn't that one for Kirby?
You want it?
Well, you got some more baking, Joy. Let Miss Kirby have one.
You want me to break it in half so we can share it?
Sure.